Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing matte carbon fiber mirror overlays. But before I begin the install, I want to compare the new carbon fiber mirror overlays with a stock trunk spoiler and a side camera overlays that I installed earlier. Alright guys, so here are the carbon fiber mirror caps in matte black. Alright, it's got the 3M tape on the inside. The weave is really nice. I don't see any imperfections. So let's quickly take a look at the stock spoiler. Alright guys, it's going to be a little hard to see because of the sun glare. Sun is going down, but hopefully you'll be able to see a little bit. Just a side-by-side comparison of the stock spoiler to the aftermarket mirror overlays, and the weave looks really good. It's pretty much identical actually. Hopefully you are able to see this on the camera. I'll bring it in a little closer, but yeah, the quality is really good. Alright, looking at the side marker overlays and the mirror cap overlays as well. Same thing. Both of them have pretty good weave, and the match is quite nice. Both in flat black. Alright, so without wasting too much time, let's get this thing installed. It's pretty simple, straightforward install. So really quick fitment test before I start removing the tape. As you can see, the gap is really nice. You don't see any white coming through, right? And there's just enough space for when the mirrors fall, so the overlay doesn't catch on this part right here. The install is pretty simple. I'm gonna wipe this down with alcohol. I'm not gonna wait for it to totally dry and remove the 3M tape backing and get it over, and that's it. Alright, the driver's... Alright guys, so that was a quick and easy install of carbon fiber mirror overlays. As always, if you guys liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more install videos, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.